Hello children, I hope all are well. Welcome to the e-learning session. Today's topic is chapter number 1, computer and its working. Before going to topic, what we are going to cover is a computer system, what is computer, working of a computer and characteristics of a computer. So, in your chapter, first is we have to know what is computer. In your book, the word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate or to count. A system is a collection or combination of components that are used together for a common task. A computer is also called a computer system, as it is not a single machine but a combination of hardware and software component that work together to perform a task. So this is a label diagram of a computer in which you see here output device which is monitor, printer, input device which is keyboard, processing unit CPU and the device called speaker. This is also an output device. So children, we came to know that what is computer? A computer is an electronic device which receives the data from the user, manipulate it according to the specified rule and convert it into information or result in the form of output. So before moving ahead, you should understand some basic terms of computer. What are the basic terms of computer? The first is data, process, information, hardware, software, users. So first is data. What is data? A data is a collection of raw, unorganized fact that includes word, numbers, sounds or image. Process. A process means an action which is taken by a computer on data to convert it into a meaningful information. Second is what is information? The meaningful or organized form of data is called information. Next thing is we have to study working of a computer, that how computer get into a work. Computer gets work with the three process: input, process and output. Like in your book is also mentioned, computer input, process, output. Computer accept data in the form of input, process the data as per requirement or illustration, show the result in the form of output. So first is input, second is process and third is output. The above working can be shown in the form of block diagram. This is your block diagram. Let's study more about this block diagram. When the user feed the data into a computer, it accept the data as input through different input device. Like what are the input devices are? Keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. These are all input devices. Second is a computer process this data and change it into information with the help of processor called CPU. The processor called CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Right? Next is third. After processing the output, show the final result as an output through different output devices like monitor, printer, speaker, etc. So we came to know that what are the output devices? Output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Let us study some more examples. Like if you want to add 6 plus 6, you have to input with your keyboard that you have to add 6 plus 6. Then the CPU, what the CPU do? CPU process this data and convert this data into a output with the help of monitor. So children, this is how a computer works and this is known as IPO cycle: input, process and output. Next we are going to study what are the characteristics of computer. See in your book, a computer is a powerful and useful machine. Computer is a powerful and useful machine. It is used in many different fields because of characteristics in process. Let us have a look of some of these characteristics. First is speed. The working speed of a computer is very fast. It can perform thousands of calculations in a second. Yes, it can perform thousands of calculations in 1 second. Next is storage. The computer has very large storage capacity. The computer can store many data. It can store large amount of work for a long time. Yes, computer can store large amount of work for a long time. This is never going to be deleted. Third is versatility. Versatility means a computer can work at different place for different purpose. A computer can perform a variety of a tasks efficiently. A computer can do many tasks in one go, right? That computer can calculate, draw a picture, can play a music. All this work can be done in one go. Fourth is accuracy. What is accuracy? A computer can work with accuracy. It cannot make any mistake. Means computer can do a work without making any mistake. Like human do a work, but they can do a mistake. But computer can never do a mistake. It always gives 100% correct answer. 100% correct answer computer gives always. Fourth one is diligence. Computer can do lot of work again and again at the same speed without getting bored or tired. Right? Computer can do work again and again. He never get tired. It can work 24 hours without asking for any rest. So we came to know that computer have a speed, storage, versatility, accuracy and diligence. That's all for today class. In the next video, I will discuss the question answer of this part 2. Stay safe, stay